I'm out front of another listing here in Sun City Shadow Hills. This is the Phase 3 section, which is the final version of development. Before we get started, I just want to thank my friend Fernando for letting me walk through this new listing of his. We're priced right under $5. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, hospitality floor plan, so that's going to be right around 1756 square feet. We're right on the perimeter of the Phase 3 section. Behind us is north. There's a berm back there, which is good for privacy. You're not going to have any development right now. Desert Retreat is being built on one side of the community, the west side, and that's not something you're going to have over here. It's going to be nice and private. And no neighbors behind you. So as you walk in, we got the laundry room and the garage and some storage. I scanned the floor plan for this one, so I'll tell you, I'll embed it over the video. I think this garage is going to be about 2 feet larger, so around 22 by 20. But like I said, I scanned this layout and I'll give you those dimensions on the screen. The 2 bedrooms are up front here as soon as you enter the house, and you got a bathroom. Sun City Shadow Hills is a 55+ gated community with a long list of amenities. A lot of value provided for just under $400 a month. You get access to 2 large clubhouses with a pickleball, bocce ball, tennis. There's an indoor walking path here, which is great for the summertime. It's really hard to go for a walk when summer arrives, so it's really quite the amenity having an on-site indoor walking path. On top of that, there's an indoor lap pool, which is quite luxurious to have an amenity like that, being that it gets really hot here in the summertime. Today is March 22nd. It's 101 degrees, so it's a little bit warmer, or I'd say almost a lot warmer than it normally is this time of the year. But as soon as it gets over 100 degrees and the sun's up, it's hard to do any outdoor activities until the sun goes down. I typically get out there right as the sun goes behind the mountains to play some pickleball or go for a walk, and that makes a world of a difference. So again, they got the hospitality floor plan. This is a wide open living room and kitchen layout, north facing. So what I like about having a north facing exposure is you don't have to keep your blinds closed all day. And people will say, well, I want south because that's a brighter house. And in some ways it is, but in some ways it's not, because when you got north, you just leave these open all day long and the house is nice and bright. If it was facing south and you wanted to keep your house cool, you'd have to close up the blinds, and it's going to yield obviously a darker home. During the summertime is when you're more concerned about that. A larger lot here. Didn't memorize it, so I'll embed it on the screen, but definitely a little bit larger than most. Low maintenance as well. And behind there, that's right where Monroe ends. There's a quarry back there. A ton of car traffic, but going to be quiet back there, and no housing and no future housing like on the west side of Phase 3, where the new 55+ community Desert Retreat is being built. It's actually where I'm heading over to next. Okay, so we've looked at the 2 bedrooms up front, and now I'm going to show you the primary. Let's give you a glimpse of the pantry here. But a really good size, common size home in Sun City Shadow Hills, right? 1750, right around 1750 square feet. And if you 3 bedrooms, but you definitely are going to find a lot of people using one of those as a den or for their office computer setup. But I do specialize in all the 55+ communities. I'm here at Sun City Shadow Hills, and as I said, I'm heading over to Desert Retreat next. And if you'd like to tour the amenities of this beautiful community, or any of them that's like it in the 55+ realm, please reach out to me. My number is obviously right there on the screen. I do specialize in this lifestyle in all the 55+ in Coachella Valley. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope it provides value to you in your home search. And what I like about these videos, it helps you walk through the floor plan, just gives you a better feel. Even looking at a 2D floor plan or the pictures, it's hard to kind of feel the floor plan. And I feel with these floor plan walkthrough videos, definitely gives you a good understanding on the flow of the home. And thanks for watching. This is Mark. I'll see you at the next one.